Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to remove their laptop from docking station, safe eject and disconnect guide. Step 1. Cable-based docks. For example, USB-C slash Thunderbolt dock. Most modern Dell docking stations, such as the WD-19 or WD-22 series, connect to the laptop via a single USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. First is to prepare the OS. Make sure all the external drivers are safely ejected from the Windows to prevent data corruption. Then disconnect the cable and firmly grip the plastic connector, not the cable, and pull it straight out horizontally. Avoid yanking. Never pull the cable out at an angle or twist it, as this can physically damage the connector or port. Step 2. Base mounted docks. Example, ePorts or rugged docks. Older Dell laptops like older Latitude E series or specialized rugged laptops snap directly into a plate-style docking station. Unlock if applicable. If your dock has a security key, turn the key to the unlocked position. Press the release button. Then press the mechanical eject button located on the side or corner of the docking station. Lift the laptop. Then you will hear an audible click. Once the latches release, gently lift the laptop straight up out of the dock. Troubleshooting mechanical release issues. If your laptop refuses to release from a physical base mounted dock, the mechanical latches may be stuck. First is to apply downward pressure. Place both hands on the laptop's lid and apply gentle, even pressure downwards. While pressing down, press the eject button again. Review guidelines. For safe handling practices regarding your hardware, check out the official Dell Type-C connector support guide. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.